Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to sign out of Apple Music on Mac, and this is both for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, all of the Macs. What you want to do, so let's say this Apple Music. You cannot actually sign out from this section right here, from this app itself. What you need to do is come to the top menu. Okay, the top menu here, you'll see account right here. So I want you to click on account and get this drop down. And right here under account settings, you'll actually see sign out, right? So I want you to tap on sign out and then give it a few seconds to initialize. And this will actually sign you out of your iCloud and your Apple account. It'll sign you out of everything. And as you can see right now, you're not signed into your Apple account. You can sign back in. And here we have our Apple Music fully signed out, right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.